actually they're pretty good as far as color and shading for that bit. So what I'm going to do now is set your max width. And width. I have to set both this time. Then going to move the top position to up there, only at about 5%, and our header is now done. That didn't actually take as long as it could have, believe it or not. And we've already been going for half an hour. This is what happens when you decide to do something like create the mobile views for something when you don't get a design for a mobile view. You have to sort of wing it, which I am getting better at, admittedly. Now, the first thing I want to do for the form bits below is field set. No, that's not how I do that. Actually, we just set the border to none. Because if I do display none, it hides the contents as well. Now we just have the form. And I just realized something. My second email label is meant to be phone number. Go. Fixer upper. Okay, so we're back in. First thing I need to do here is the title text and title text secondary. Areas of the text have an extremely light gray, yet barely visible background color to them, so I need to give them that. Let's try that. Title text. And those are IDs. I'm trying to set them as if they were classes. There's my problem. Now, what I need is row 2 instead. There you go. It's just barely there. You can see it if you can squint a bunch, but that's about it. Header. So we need a div for this to make it a lot easier. So let's take care of that. And then the you know you want to part is contained within this, but after that it's bottom, though. There we go. That gives us what we're after. For the most part. Typed the R in Surface. Good thing I'm noticing these things before. Yes. Let's see here. Line height. We want the text, the contents of the box, to cover the entire thing. So for this bit, we actually want it to be full length like that. Yeah, so let's do this. Okay. I think that's everything we need to do for the bit above the form, actually. Start actually doing stuff for the form itself. Now let's collect all of these into one spot. I think that's all of them, but let's check. Yeah. First, F name, L name, email div, phone div, password div confirm. Yeah. That's all of them. Yeah, that's what we want. Of course, I'll need to tweak some of the stuff a little more, and we need to text the line to the left. Let's make this a little easier on myself. Give all the labels an extra class. label txt. And try moving that above the form as a whole. Doesn't like that for some reason. Didn't need to do that. I could just set the line items to flex start. That works. Then I need all the inputs to be a little bigger. So, input width 75%. Let's actually try something else. 45 VW. 75 even. Is that... No, that's a bit big. Maybe 65. Yeah. 65. And for all of these, labels. I don't need that, but what I do want to do is, let's see, margin bottom. Okay, that's a bit much. What about that? Yeah. Maybe a little more. 2.5. And I'm going to take all of them except for the password div confirm. Give that a little bit of margin bottom. Let's see here. A little more than that. Yeah. There we go. Spread, and the second password label is just password again. I need to fix that. There we go. Now, I need to fix up some other stuff to do with the form. But we're well on the way, actually. Just gotta tweak some border and color things. form, so let's fix that. Right above the field set. Actually, screw it, I have this. Let's use it. Border, none. That doesn't work. I need to do it for the inputs, which I have something for, again. It's just putting in the wrong one. None. I had something in the instructions colored, if I'm remembering right. Put a second border in below that. Solid that. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, that's good. That has our borders fixed up. Granted, I still need to do the versions for when it's selected or when there's an error, but I'll come back to that. The Create Account button needs its own individual modifications. Mobile only in terms of sheer overall functionality, we're nearly there. Honestly, I get the CSS set up. These error messages, that'll take me at most a couple of minutes of JavaScript, and I'll have it sorted. It'll be easy. And we'll see if that comment ends up aging poorly, but I hope not.